So there's like a conference now. Loulou is back home and this is what usually happens. So I don't think I'm the cat whisperer, it's actually Loulou. So cute. Oh, good girls. So good. Teamwork. Simultaneously. Good. And the couple. That's good, Frankie. You're such a good boy. Oh, they're doing it at the same time.
Yeah.
Loulou, are you the cat whisperer?
Yes.
I think you are.
Oh.
Like all of them wants to.
No.
Oh, Anna, she got stuck in the bag. And Merritt's dragon is there as well. Yeah, we can go on like this forever and ever, I guess.